And everybody can see the online survey consent procedures?
Yeah.
Okay. Wanted to make sure. All right, this was discussed last session on Tuesday. So we wanted to go over these, and they are pretty quick. I just wanted to go through and give you the highlighting for the important stuff. So if students are wanting,
What page is that?
oh,
Or
this is something when we were in the ICEF rulebook, there's a link.
oh,
So
okay.
I pulled this link up, I saved it, and then I went through for you, and I'll post this on the website too.
Okay, that'd
I'll
be good.
post everything I've highlighted on the website probably tomorrow because there won't be anybody in IT to work on it tonight,
Okay.
obviously. But I will
Right.
get that in, and that way everybody has a copy.
Good.
And I did find out today that the research plan that is posted on the website is a PDF, and I don't know why. It should be Word, so I will have that changed and fixed tomorrow as well.
Is it a fillable PDF or a non-fillable?
It's
Oh,
non-fillable. I want it to be able to move, so I want you to have the Word document in there. It's
okay.
much easier, obviously, to work with than most people have Word, so I want to make everything as
Mhm.
easy for you as I possibly can. All right, so with online survey consent procedures, if you have a student wanting to do it solely online, they have to have an informed consent if they're 18 or older, and then the minor assent from participants. So the minor assent is from they've got to get that parent permission. So that has to be there. All of that has to be done before they begin the survey online. So what's going to happen is number 2 here, this is just an example of what should be included on that consent or assent form. So that should be included. Number 3, it should be set up in a way that that participant has to click a button or type in a response that they understand everything and they agree to participate. Then once they select that button, then they can go to the research survey questionnaire. So they shouldn't have access to that questionnaire until they have, agreed that they have read and understand everything that they're walking into. So the following procedures are used to protect that confidentiality of any downloaded data. So the students do not need to collect, or if the IP addresses are collected, they need to be deleted from the data file. And then all responses should be deleted from the online survey. So it just needs to be free of any identifiers that they may have. So that data file should also be stored on a password protected computer. They need to put some kind of password on however that's being stored to prevent anyone else from getting a hold of that data. So the documented parental permission for this, it has to be prior to a minor's participating on that survey. So the parental consent may obtain the valid electronic signatures and email. Those are just the different ways that they can get that parental permission from somebody. So the copies of the signed permission can be scanned and emailed. They could complete it online and then email it, fax it, all that type of thing. So this is just the options that the students have. Another option is set up 2 surveys, one to collect information from parents and then one to conduct the actual survey. So this just gives you examples. And then that's it. I mean, most of this is just telling you here's some examples, these are some options, and this is what you need to stick with. So this is actually not too bad. Any questions on that?
Nope. It's pretty clear.
All right, well then